Today we are going to talk about what to plan when you're not busy. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about things that you can do when you're not busy. What can you put in your planner? What can you put in those empty pages, empty boxes, all that space that's just sitting there white, staring at you? What do you do with it? This is a great time for this video because a lot of people between Christmas and New Year's aren't that busy. Oftentimes they're off work, they're with family, but there's not a lot of things scheduled in. So those planners are looking kind of empty. Unlike the run up to Christmas where there's just so many things going on, the week between Christmas and New Year's is usually pretty chill. So here's my list of things that you can put in your planner when you are not busy. Number 1, when you have extra time on your hands as well as an empty planner, put those two things together and use the space and the time to practice your decorating. Maybe you just want to get better at decorating, or you want to try something new that you've never tried before and just get better at it. Number 2 is to make a goal list, and we're going to come back to this list later on, so it's a great idea to do this now. Whether you make a whole list on a free page in your planner or just fill in a few goals in one empty box, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. But come up with some goals for 2021. Come up with at least a few goals for the new year. It's a great time, everyone's making resolutions, but if you can set goals, that's even better. Number 3 is to make an inspirational, motivational type scrapbooky page in your planner. I have a whole video that I've done on this. I flipped through what I call my bullet journal where I have a bunch of these types of pages, so you can go have a look at that here. And it's really nice as you're flipping through your planner to come across these pages and you'll get motivated and inspired. Number 4 is to journal about your Christmas. Now, whether this is a kind of journal entry or maybe a little mini December daily, or maybe it's just a roundup of what happened, it's a really great idea to have this in your planner. While it's fresh in your mind, you can put down all the details of what happened and all those memories you want to keep. If you want more information on December daily, then I will send you to this video here. On to number 5. Use those empty boxes to practice your doodling. And you can even color them in. Doodling and coloring are both relaxing. It's a great way to take advantage of the slower week to relax and enjoy yourself. So it's great to be able to take advantage of the slower week and do something relaxing, but also you're making your planner look super pretty. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, next, number 6 is to practice a new skill. Maybe you want to try stamping in your planner that you've never done before, you've tried it before, and you just always tend to get ink around the sides or something. Or maybe you want to try calligraphy, hand lettering, or even improve your handwriting. Take some time now and practice writing, practice stamping, so you can get better at it for when you start your new planner in 2021. If you want to do hand lettering, a good place to start is with the days of the week. You'll be writing those over and over and over. So it's a good idea to practice those words so that every time you write them, you're satisfied with how they look. And number 7 is to write out a list of all your Christmas gifts and also note who gave you which gift. Then set a time in your planner so that you can go and write a thank you card to each of those people. Let's get you organized, motivated, and ready to plan. Make sure you are subscribed and you have those notifications turned on because I've got lots of things coming up for you. I've got a desk tour, we're talking about new hobbies to try. We're going to talk about habits, some tricks and hacks for using your planner, as well as a plan with me, so you're not going to want to miss any of these. You can click here on my little face to subscribe. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. If you've made it this far, let me know in the comments below what you got for Christmas. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.